I'm going to explain the form of causatives, meanings, and how to use them in sentences. We use causatives to indicate that someone causes another person to do something. Let's start with have. The structure of using have as causative is first subject, then object, and then the base of the verb. We use it to arrange for someone to do something. Here, the subject is not necessarily involved in the action. In other words, it is used when someone arranges for another person to perform a task or action. Mostly it is used for formal or professional context. Some example sentences are, I'll have my assistant send you the report. Yesterday I had the mechanic fix my car. I'll have the receptionist call you. The next one is get. The form is first subject, then get, and object, and to plus base verb, I mean infinitive form of the verb. Get is used when someone persuades or arranges for another person to perform a task or action. It often implies some effort in convincing or arranging. Some example sentences are, I got my students to help me clean the stadium. She got the children to tidy up their toys. I'll get him to call you back. Get has also another causative structure. It is subject plus get plus object plus past participle. It is used to arrange for someone to perform a service or task. For example, I got my phone repaired. It is also used to achieve results. For instance, he got the project finished on time. I want to show more examples like, I need to get the house cleaned before the guests arrive. They got their nails done for the wedding. She got her taxes done by a professional accountant. Let's look at another causative structure with make. It is formed like this, subject plus make plus object plus base verb. It is used when someone forces another person who is not willing to perform a task or action. It also implies a strong influence or authority. For example, my boss made me work on the weekend. The teacher made the students stay after class. The coach made the players run extra laps. She made her little brother share his toys. His parents made him apologize. The last one is let. The form is subject plus let plus object plus base verb. Let is used when someone allows or gives permission another person to perform a task or action. Some example sentences are, she lets her friends borrow her books. His professor let him leave early. This is the end of the video. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you.